Hey guys, welcome back to LiveXO. So why I'm starting this vlog now is because the hurricane's supposed to hit tomorrow, and I said I'll be doing a hurricane sort of vlog thing just to see what it's like to do. You know, like to be in a hurricane. And today's like the day before it hits, it's starting to get windy outside. Like the day before, and see it's starting to get pretty windy outside. Let me go outside. Show you guys. Like it's pretty windy, but otherwise everything is pretty blue skies.
Hey guys, welcome back to LiveXO. So it's the morning, and of the hurricane. And I just want to show you guys outside. It's not raining yet. It's still breezy like yesterday, but I'll just show you. I just actually woke up. I woke up late today. I normally wake up at like 6-ish. But I woke up today at like 11. I was so tired. I didn't go to sleep till like midnight last night or later because I was hoping I'd fill water bottles and prepare more stuff for the hurricane. So let me show you. I don't know if you can tell or not. Let me open up my window. So that's kind of. I have like a net on my screen or my window, so it's like not wanting to focus past that. But like that, if you can kind of tell. Sorry if you can't tell. But yeah.
To the other window in my room, and this is how windy it is. See, it's not really windy right now. I'm gonna get some like wind gusts, as you can tell. But otherwise, it's not that windy. Okay, guys. So right now I'm just feeding Pepper again. So yeah, I just brought my dog on a walk. I forgot to totally vlog it because it's like part of the hurricane, you know. It might sound really dumb to bring your dog on a walk during a hurricane, but like it really isn't that bad. It's just a little windy right now. It's not even raining yet. So yeah. So I brought him on a walk just to our stop sign and back, like not far at all, like really, like just like a 5-minute walk. And it really wasn't that bad. So yeah, that's all I'm just gonna say since like part of the hurricane update. But I'll keep you guys posted. Today is Wednesday, September 4th, and it is like 1:15. So yeah, let me go put Pepper back. Hey, baby. All right. So yeah, I'll just keep you guys updated. So yeah. Hey guys, so I was just editing that video, and it's now like, what time is it? It's like 11-ish at night. So literally the hurricane didn't even rain. It rained for like 5 minutes or less. It didn't even storm, just rained for a few minutes. But otherwise it was just breezy like it was this morning. And I totally forgot to vlog. I was actually at my friend's house like all day. Sorry, but yeah, I know it's probably like a really boring video, but yeah, so that's it for this video. I know it's like really boring. I have a lot more exciting videos coming out soon, so bye. LiveXO out.